Beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will move further and we will optimize our post accordingly. And here you can see now that this is our main post, and here is the permalink. Okay, so this permalink is fine. If we click on this permalink, I think we should be redirected to this post. And now you can see that that date is not coming over here. Okay, so after some time it will be fixed, and your date will not come here on the top. Okay, so that was actually saved in the history, so that's why it was not immediately changed. So now we will just go to the dashboard again, and now we will just go to the post, and we will see that how we can optimize this post a little bit more. So let's go to post and edit, and here you can see that we can actually edit the URL as well, that the permalink, if you want to do, you can edit it and you can add your own permalink as well. But I think this permalink is fine from the title. So now if you will see on the right side, you will see this used is here, and you can see readability needs improvement, etc. Okay, and if we move further in the bottom of the post, you will see a lot of new things here. Okay, so related to SEO, so here you can see we have the SEO, then we have the readability, suggestions, we have the schema for this post, etc. Now we are in SEO, and here in SEO you can see that we need to add certain focus key phrase. This focus key phrase can be different from the main title. So here we can say, for example, where is the focus post? Okay, so here we will just we can click here, I think, get related key phrase. Okay, that feature is available, I think, in pro version. So let's add manually. Best tips how to remove fat. Okay, and this is our focus keyword. Now we can move further, and here you can see the SEO title. Okay, so this is also very important. So if, for example, if we move to the website and if we go to this article, you can see on the top the main heading, this title is actually appearing over here. Okay, for the main article. I think that is good for this post. Okay, if you want to edit and if you want to customize the title, you can definitely click here, you can remove these things, and then you can write your own title. Okay, but in this case we don't want it, as I am happy with this. For the main pages, for example, if we click on home, you can see the solid add home, etc. Okay, so we need to change this title. Okay, but this title, the post title, is absolutely normal, so that's fine, it's fine. So the slug is the URL, you can actually change the URL, and the meta description is the description of your page. Okay, so it's recommended that you should copy and paste the first paragraph of your article. So let's copy it, and after copying we can just copy it into the description section. Okay, so the description can be within the limit, so you can see the first paragraph is within the limits, and the slider is green, so it's absolutely good. Okay? And that's beautiful. Now you can see the SEO analysis, and you can find out the other things as well. If if you want to improve that things, you can improve that things as well regarding this post. Okay, so now we have changed the title, and no, we didn't have changed the title, but we have changed the description. Okay, so let's save, update it, and now the this post is actually updated. Okay, so now if we move back, and if we go to the pages itself, let's go to the pages, and we want to actually change the page page information. And if we go to the posts now, because the that is our actually post, and the page is on the front page. This page is actually coming from the front page. Okay, so let's go to the pages, and we will just open the page, this solid home page. Let's open it, and I will just rename it to the home. Okay, the title should be home. And also if we move further, you can see these are the SEO phrases. This page is actually designed with Elementor, so we are not going into too much detail right now. Later on we will see it in detail. And now here you can see SEO, the focus key phrase is not here. So let's go to the our main keywords list, and this is the home page. So the focus key phrase, what we can do, yeah, focus key phrase can be the best, or no, don't use best, we will just make it oh, what happened, okay, Pakistani news and entertainment portals. Okay, so this will be the focus keyword. Okay, so now if we move further, you will see the title, and we are not getting the title. We don't want to get the title from the main home title. Okay, this title of the page, so we will remove it. Okay, just remove this thing, and we will actually create our own title. And if you will analyze the our competitor websites, you can see that website has this title. So let's copy this title, go here, paste the title, and now we will just change certain settings. So here we will have the Pasban TV, Pakistan's, so we will just say Pakistani, leading web portal. Okay, Pakistani news and entertainment portal. Okay, after that you can see business, mobiles, cricket, health, etc. But these on I will not suggest to add this. And always use this line. Okay, here you can see the line. So this line, this up to down, this line, this bracket should be added between the titles. Don't use any other symbol. Okay, don't use dot, don't use comma, etc. This is very important for the title. So we have to add this line, and then we can add other words. So here I will say I will say Pakistani website. Okay. I will just say top infotainment website in Pakistan. Okay, so these two words are focused, although you can add 5 words, 6 words and a lot more, but for now it's fine. Okay, and that's beautiful. You can add small keywords as well. Small keywords are more relevant. Here you can see Paspan TV. Don't use this dash, this is my mistake. Use this thing. Okay. So now this is another keyword, this is another keyword, and this is another keyword. Okay, and now select, we don't want to add anything to select because this is the home page and home will be without any select. And then we have the meta description. So meta description is very important for the home page. So here you can see that we have the meta description. We can copy the meta description from our computer and we will just paste it, and we will say here, we will just modify the things. So we will just say Paspan TV is number 1 platform for news, business and finance updates. Okay, for news, business and mobiles info. Okay, we will not provide mobile infos currently, and we will say that we will provide the weather recipes. Okay, recipes we have audiogram, knots, Islamic names. Okay, and plan. Okay, videos, much more. Okay, so that's fine. Other things are fine. Definitely you can modify your own description. And now this is the description, and we will just update the page. So now if you will see that on the main page, you will see on the title, you can see on the title you will see new title. Hopefully, yeah, you can see new title is added. And also if you will find out the description, you will find out the new description. Okay, so I'm not going into too much detail. So this title and description is very important. So if you go to Google, for example, and here if you will enter certain website, for example Hamari Web, then you will find out this is the title. Okay, and this is the description. So title and descriptions are very important, so for the search purpose. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you understand that how we can change the titles for each page and descriptions, etc. In next video, move further. Goodbye.